Here we have two fractions and would like to simplify them. What does he mean by simplifying two fractions? Well, it just means to bring them together to make and form one simple fraction. So what we'll do is create one common denominator. So first we'll cross multiply in this direction and then this, and then the two denominators. So this becomes 4 into x minus 2 and 3 into x minus 5. So that's the numerators finished. And we write the denominators as this. Now we'll clear the brackets in the numerator. It's 4x minus 8 and 3x minus 15. Our denominator remains the same. And now we can simplify the numerator by adding, grouping like terms and adding them. So we have 7x minus 23. Just by inspection, there isn't any way we can further simplify the numerator. There are no common factors of 7 and 23 except for the number greater than 1. 7 and 23 are both, or negative 23 are both prime numbers. And that leaves us with the denominator. If we were to clear the brackets, we'll have a quadratic expression. So this is the simplest form. How do you go about simplifying this fraction? Well, from the numerator we can see we can apply the difference of two squares, which we'll write as a add b, so a minus b. So it's the product of a add b, a minus b. You can verify this for yourself by clearing the brackets here to see that it equates to a squared minus b squared. And for our denominator, we can now write this as a add b by times itself, a add b. And we can do this conveniently, so we can cancel something from the numerator. And that will be this term will be cancelled with one of these. Now remember, writing when we cancel here, now we have just one of the denominators left and we have one numerator. So we have a minus b over a add b. And that's the simplified version of a squared minus b squared divided by a add b all squared. Here's another algebraic fraction. So we can't do anything with the numerator, so it must be the denominator that we should be looking at. And we can go ahead and factorize the denominator. If we look at the product of a and c, a is 1, b is 1, and c is negative 6. So ac is negative 6. So we'd like to find two factors of negative 6 that when added will give us the coefficient of x, which is 1. So we know 3 times 2 is 6. We need to get 3 times negative 2 as our two factors. So if we rewrite x minus minus 2 over x squared add x minus 6. We can, well, let's separately factorize the denominator first. X squared add x minus 6 is equal to x add 3x minus 2x minus 6. This is equal to, we'll factorize these two and then these two separately. X squared into x add 3, and we have x add 3 here, so this must be minus 2. You can check that for yourself. If you clear the brackets here, we get minus 2x and minus 6. Here we have x squared and 3x. And further, we factorize again because x add 3 is common to x and also negative 2. So now we can rewrite our fraction as x minus 2 over x add 3 x minus 2. And that allows us to cancel the numerator to just leave us with 1 over x add 3. And that's it. Thanks for watching. My name is Alistair. Please like, follow or subscribe for more videos like this. Bye for now.